Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone's doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I'm as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So guys, look at this. Look at the chart. Covering Lemmy every single day was telling you to DCA down, was telling you to load up at these beautiful opportunities. And it looks like we're going into a reversal. Guys, I absolutely love this. I mean, for any influencer that talks about a coin every single day, which has a big passion for the vision, okay? Because to me, this is a vision for the future. This is incredible. Okay, this is a psychological boost. Sometimes, a lot of you can be discouraged by red candles. For me, it's okay. I mean, I don't care about red candles. It's just an opportunity. But guys, when you have the boost, also it's good because it just shows that, hey, the stuff I'm saying makes sense. Like, there is genuine interest in this coin. Okay, I get a lot of messages. You haven't been on my side of things, okay? So if you would understand. So buys are coming in, volume's coming in, liquidity is locked, everything's looking good, green, ready to absolutely skyrocket. We are so lucky to be in this era. Guys, you should be really taking advantage and valuing everything that we are presented here with. Everything. We're so lucky. You have no idea. And it's just the start of things. So watch everything that is going on with Lemmy. Imagine when the bull run hits, when all that volume starts kicking in from the altcoin season, when, Ethereum breaks above the resistance line and then its dominance goes down. And then you get all that money flowing into the meme coins and the investors will go crazy. They'll see opportunities like this. They'll be like, oh my God, Lemmy's been around for a long time. For the lifespan of a meme coin, so it has proven itself. It has some good exchanges on board. Okay, that's very important. And I think in general, when you look at the X account, there's so much that's being posted all the time because of the fact that it's getting things done. Look at this XT exchange listing, boom, beautiful. Okay, and many more listings, trading pairs, everything you guys need is here. I mean, the vision was always in the website. And if you guys listened to me when it was below 1 million market cap, I was telling you the roadmap is for real here. They genuinely are going to be doing everything they set out in the roadmap. And it says it's going to go over 100 mil. Simple as that. And OKX, Binance, Crypto.com, all these big boys are coming along. Whether you like it, whether you hate it. I mean, I don't really care that much because the ones that are really loyal to me, these followers that listen to me, that have listened to me about Lemmy, guys, you're going to make an absolute killing with it. But those that doubt it, well, you're going to have to watch us win. I'm sorry, it's brutal, I'm being arrogant, but I prefer to say it the way it is. So guys, thank you so much for all the support. I think Lemmy is going to be having a very exciting journey in the next weeks. For sure, we're going to be breaking some really nice resistance lines. All-time highs will be touched, and we will definitely get that, spike of dopamine. So very happy, guys. And yeah, thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.
Hey, attention, crypto gossipators. Things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.